everyone, I hope you're all doing okay. Now this week I split this video up into two parts because I want to do a video and have a walk around this place and explain what's what about it, and I'd also going to put up a couple of trail cams overnight, see if I can pick up a bit of wildlife, because this week I'm going to take you on a tour of a nature reserve in the north of England called Hic Bibi, that was built on the grounds of an old clay quarry and brickworks. And then it was in 1997, I think, it was converted into a nature park, and it's completely matured. It's fabulous. There's deer in there. There's all sorts. It's a wonderful, wonderful place. It's only about 8 hectares. It's not massive, but it's fabulous. It's beautiful, and it's right on my doorstep. It's literally a few hundred yards from where I live. So, but I split it into two parts, otherwise it would be too long. So this week, I've done a drone flight over the top of it, basically round the perimeter, a little bit over the top, but I didn't want to do too much because I didn't want to scare any wildlife, even though I did check up on my app to see if it was a no-fly zone or any restrictions at all, and there weren't. So I wasn't doing anything weird or out of order. But I hope you enjoy this little video. It's just a little video to start with some music called Fate that I composed and produced. Only a very simple little thing. And yeah, so just a few minutes of a video, and then we're going to take a walk around there, and then we're going to put some trail cams out. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's a beautiful spot. It's the British countryside at its very best. Lancashire at its very best. I love it. I hope you love it too. All right, enjoy it, kids. I can hear Molly sniffing at the door because she wants to come in. Bloody dogs.
Bye.